Hello, my name is Valeria Vokonova and I am a participant of the summer school at Metropolia University in Finland, and currently I'm studying at Czech Technical University in Prague in Czech Republic. I would like to talk about the topic of the PESTLE analysis, the PESTEL analysis. The PESTEL analysis is used for the analysis of the macroeconomic environment when we are thinking on going to a new market, or when it could be done regularly also when we are on some market, to analyze all the factors. And the factors which are covered are political, economical, social, technological, legal, and environmental. So the political could stand for the tax policy. It could also stand for how stable is the political situation in current market or current country, which are some of the incentives which is government giving to the companies, or which are, I don't know, the goods or industry which is supported by the government. The economic, you should look at the currency, you should look also on how stable the economy is, if there are any crisis, or is it really easily predictable, or is it hard to predict that? Is it like a free economy market, or is there some dictatorship and the economy is not free and it's not capitalistic market? Afterward, we have the social aspects. So the social aspects are actually the people who are living in the country, and what is the social situation, and what kind of the people are living there, and everything which is related to that. So technological is, we should look at the infrastructure in the country, if it's actually doable for us to do a business there. For example, we can consider if we want to bring something by ship, they have actually the harbors which are suitable for our ships. And afterwards there is legal. You should also look what kind of the legal system is in the country. Are the changes in the law predictable? Can we see them ahead? For example, in European Union, all the changes are there could be a pretty good prediction, because it takes such a long time to implement into the law of the country. So when you are operating in the EU, all the laws which are coming from the EU, you know about them at least I would say half a year, probably more, because it takes a long time. And after her, we have the economic, environmental aspects. What are the actually how does it work in the country? For example, when you are looking at the environmental aspect in Finland or opposed to some developing country, there's a huge difference, because in Finland you have several factors which you need to cover. And generally when you are in the European Union, you have the ESG initiative and ESG ratings which you need to fulfill to be able to, I don't know, receive loans from the banks or have a better rate or something like that. So that was the PESTEL analysis. So thank you for your attention and goodbye.